Hi, welcome to Interview Ready Interviewer Challenge Question 2. At this forum, we evaluate such questions which remain interviewers' top priority. So often at interview, candidates are given a spreadsheet and asked to apply simple VLOOKUP, but the output result to error even though the lookup value appears exactly the same in the lookup range. So this video points out two major checks one should do if they face such issue. The first situation tells us about using a VLOOKUP that may contain a carriage return or any unreadable individual characters. So for example, I need to search Connecticut in this particular range. So if I apply a simple VLOOKUP, let's say I need to apply VLOOKUP to search a Connecticut. Search Connecticut in this range, press 1 or let's say 2, hit enter. It is returning a non-available error #NA. That means there is some wrong. Well, I can see that Connecticut seems to be absolutely fine, and over here also Connecticut has the same spelling, and there is no other character what I can see. But still, there are chances where this particular cell may contain some non-readable characters. So there are two methods to resolve it. First, to use a calculated column. Let's say there is a clean function to clean all these things or all the redundant value in a cell. I can apply equal to clean. I'm doing this for the demo purpose, like this clean. So this actually cleans any value, either it's a carriage return which is generally generated by pressing alt enter in an Excel, or any other character. So that is cleaned by the cleanup function. Now if I apply equal to VLOOKUP, look up this value in this particular range, sorry, look up this value in this particular range and press the column 1, let's say, or let's say the third column I need to see, and I press 0 and press enter. It has written, now it is returning a value because the clean function has done its job. It has eliminated all the non-required uh, characters which are generally not readable. This is the first way how we do by using the calculated column. The second method suggests that we can use an array function and we can push the clean function inside it. This eliminates the need of creating a calculated column. So it goes like this: equal to VLOOKUP. I need to look up this value, but I don't need to create an additional column, so I will apply clean function over here, and let's say in this particular range. Always remember the first column already has the clean function applied on it, so we are not going to create any additional column. Press F4, press the column index. Let's say I need the information of second column, range lookup 0, and control press control shift enter. This will actually push the table range into an array, and the VLOOKUP will able to read it absolutely in an absolutely fine manner. Now you can see Connecticut is containing exactly the same value. Similarly, the second thing is that if still uh, you are getting an error message, it may be that the lookup value may be containing some extra spaces. Either it can be a trailing or a following spaces. So the first method is a manual. You can eliminate the trailing uh, spaces by using the trim function equal to trim, and I press enter and control D. So this will fill the value till down, and if I apply the formula. Let's say I need to search VLOOKUP Alabama, and I apply on this particular range. Let's say this, and I press 2 0. It will show me an error message that is not available. This is because what we can see, Alabama absolutely fine over here. Even in this range, Alabama is absolutely fine. But when we press F2, oh, what we can see that there are some spaces, extra spaces. Due to that, the computer is not able to read, or the VXL is not able to determine its function. So what we have done, we have used the calculated column equal to look up this value, look up look up in this, from starting from the calculated column, press F4, press your required column. Let's say I need the third column information, press 0 for exact match. You will get the information. Similarly, this is the calculated column, but still, if you like, you can push this information in an array, and where you did not have to create an additional column. So it goes like this, equal to lookup value is Alabama, and I use the trim function, press F4, press column index. Let's say I need the second column information, range lookup, and press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now you can see that it has returned the same information without the need of creating an additional calculated column. So I'm hoping that you must have found this trick interesting. Request all the viewers to vote for this video and share your feedback with me. This sample copy is available at the below given website, where you can download it for free for your reference. Thank you.